Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Abid and today's topic is related to a current update which is coming from Government of India. New Education Policy 2020. Government of India updated their education system and introduced New Education Policy 2020. They will do some changes in our education system. So in this video we will talk about our New Education Policy 2020. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. Government of India will be updated their education system and introduce New Education Policy 2020. So Government of India will take a very good step to improve our education system. Our education system were not developed from 1986, which implement in Rajiv Gandhi's government. We has been following this education system from 1986, almost 34 years. We has been learning this education system for 34 years. It will not develop from 34 years. Finally, Narendra Modi's government updated our education system, do some changes in our education system. So this new education system, new education policy is inspired from the developed countries' education system, and it is almost similar to the developed countries' education system. So in this video we will do overview and analysis of this new education policy. First we talk about changes in higher education, then we will move to a primary or secondary education. So let's talk about changes in higher education. After the class 12th, it has changed to a multiple entry exit program, has introduced in this new education policy 2020. It means if you started your degree or graduation, for example you started BCom, after 1 year, after studying 1 year, you realize you are not interested and you don't want to learn BCom after studying 1 year, then you can drop after studying 1 year, and you will take a credit of that 1 year. Whatever you have learned, you can take credit of that 1 year and you can transfer to another degree like BCom, and 1 year will be reduced from BTech. So it is very good. So as well as if you drop your degree after 1 year, and after 1 year you realize you don't want to learn and you want to drop your studies after studying 1 year, now before implementing this new education policy, if you after studying 1 year, if you drop your graduation, you will not get any certificate or any diploma. But after implementing this new education policy, if you drop your graduation after 1 year, you will get a certificate of 1 year whatever you study in that 1 year. And if you drop your studies after 2 years, you will be get a diploma of 2 years. After completing your graduation, you will get a degree. So it is very helpful, or it is very important to improve our education. So Government of India finally changed it. You can take you can drop your education in middle and you will take a certificate or diploma, so it will not waste, so it will utilize. Then one of the change in higher education is there will be a multidisciplinary education will be implement in higher education. It means if you are interested in varieties of subject, if you want to learn science as well as arts, so you can learn, you have flexibility. So before that we were choose a specific subject, or we will select a specific field or a specific subject like commerce or science or humanity, arts, etc. If you choose commerce, you cannot learn science. If you select commerce, you cannot learn science. So most of the students are interested in varieties of subject, they want to learn varieties of subject, but now a government has changed it. A student has flexibility to select the subject. Subject means after this new education policy implement, the student can learn varieties of subject, like the student can learn commerce as well as science, or as well as history, or as well as arts. Student have flexibility to select varieties of subjects. So it is very good, and I appreciate Government of India. It is very good because most of the student are interested in varieties of subject. They want to learn varieties of subjects, so it will be helpful for them. So this is about changes in higher education. Then we will move to changes in primary education or secondary education. The first major change in primary education is they have changed our existing 10+2 academic structure to 5+3+3+4 system will be implemented in education. In our education, it is almost similar to our developed countries' education system. In our existing 10+2 education system, in 10+2 education will start from 6 year of age, but in this new education system, education will start in 3 years of age, and age 3 to age 6 will be the preschooling or primary schooling. And for 2 years, class 1st to class 2nd will be, and after that there will be 3 years of preparatory stage. In this teachers are focusing on playing and discovering, and activities based classroom learning will be provided to the student from class 3 years. For 3 years will be provide playing, discovering, activities based classroom learning will be provided for the student. And then after that, class 6 to class 8 will be the focusing on experience based learning, or vocational learning will be provided from class 6 to class 8. And after that, secondary stage, class 9 to class 12th. In this, focus on multidisciplinary study flexibility. In this, focus on experience based learning. They provide vocational learning or experience learning. They will provide a job experience, and in this they will provide experience based learning. And from class 6 they will start internship of vocational training job. In this they will provide job experience. Almost 10 days will be the bagless almost 10 days of a year or of a month there will be a bagless period. In this, student will do internship of job, and they will student will get experience of job. The student can learn experience. The student can get experience in this 10 days. So in this 10 days, student will not carry a bag, and they will not carry a bag. So it is about changes in primary or secondary education. So let's move to changes in the field of teachers. For teachers, there will be a build common national professional structure build for the teachers. In almost 2020 it will build, and by 2030 minimum qualification required to be the teacher is integrated. Degree of 4 years is required to be the teacher. And the language related change in new education policy 2020 is, as per the new education policy, the medium of introduction until class 5th, but preferable till class 8 of beyond will be the home language, mother tongue or local language, and regional language will be teach in school, but it is not compulsory. And one of the interesting point in this new education policy is top 100 international university will be established in India. It means top 100 international university get approval to establish in India, and they will teach the international, we will learn our international syllabus. So it is very good and it is very helpful for student. So top 100 university will be implement in this new education policy, established in this new education policy. So about implementation of this new education policy, it will take time to implement this new education policy in our school and colleges. So it is about new education policy 2020. So thank you very much for watching this video.